Hey everyone, welcome back to edquest. In previous session we created a Docker image successfully. So in this session we push our Docker image into Docker registry. Now let's see how to push a Docker image to a Docker registry like Docker Hub. So first step, log in to the Docker Hub. First the developer logs into their Docker Hub account using Docker login. This ensures they are authenticated to upload image to their personal or organization space on Docker Hub. So now just open your terminal and write there docker login command and hit enter. Now you can see they are waiting for authentication in the browser, so it's take few time. Now you can see login succeed. In next we tag the image using the Docker Hub username and desired repository name. So we just open our readme.md file and I already write there the docker tag command and just copy this and paste into my terminal. So just hit enter button, and in third step we push the image. After tagging we can push the image to the Docker Hub registry. So for push the image in Docker registry, I just go to my readme.md and copy this push your image command and paste it in my terminal. My image is pushing to my Docker Hub registry, as you can see there. And now you can see we have successfully pushed our image in our Docker Hub registry with the name of edquest salary-api. So now we wrap up this session. Alright everyone, let's wrap up this session. In this session, first we learn what Docker is, and then we covered Docker fundamentals like images, containers, Docker engines, Docker Hub. We also look at how to install Docker, verify it, and run our first container. We explore Docker files basic. We covered like key instruction like from, work directory, copy, run, expose, cmd and env. We introduce model serving with fast API, and then we containerize the API. Finally we publish our image to Docker Hub. So thank you for following along. If you found this useful, feel free to reach out or explore more topics in our MLOps series.